Well, we are here in LA in Highland Park, and we are gonna visit the oldest bowling alley in LA. Have you ever been here, Sydney?
I've never been here. I've seen it on Instagram. I've seen some people have like big parties here. I've been dying to check it out, so I'm really glad you invited me today.
We're gonna learn a little bit about the history of the bowling alley, and then we're gonna bowl. So, let's go.
Highland Park Bowl had an interesting situation because it was kind of during Prohibition. So the front of the building, the left side was a pharmacy, the right side was a music store, and then there was a bowling alley in the back. Upstairs there was doctor's offices. So you would go upstairs, get your prescription from the doctor, go downstairs and get your booze. And then there would be a whole speakeasy in the back with where the bowling alley is. All the lanes here are all the original lanes. You don't see lanes too often anymore where the ball return is above ground. They're usually like underground. We left all that. Everything in here is vintage. We repurposed as much as possible. We weren't able to save a lot of the old pin setters, but we used them for decor in the place and we resalvaged them. And then we got some newer vintage machines that actually worked and put them in.
The main difference about this place is the absence of what we call masking units. All the pin setting equipment is exposed for the customers to see all the inner workings of the machines at all times. These machines probably have the capability of lasting a lifetime because it's all metal and there's no computerization to them. That's why they're still prevalent now. They stopped making these particular machines in 1985.
Oh! That was actually really good! They did something to the machines here. I swear I don't bowl that good, usually. Okay. Oh! That's really good! We both got this. That's weird.
I do feel like strangely chill here. It's not crazy. There's no black lights, which is nice.
Yeah, no, that's definitely a good point.
It doesn't smell like children. This is a place for adults, which I appreciate.
Yeah, there's like no arcade games in the back. It is very just like, you feel at zen.
So close.
You're in a different world almost, you know?
It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm stunned at the attention to detail here. It's beautiful. I feel like I've been transported to 1920 something.
I'm amazed that these original things exist, and like, this is in our neighborhood, this is in LA, and I never thought to come here before. So I'm glad I got to check it out. Like, something this historic is like right under our nose.
All right, Caroline, you can do this. If you beat me, I won't be mad.
Oh, it's gonna be a real strike. You did it!
The winner, the winner.